board recently reviewed its technical plan, and during that review it added 2 projects to its current technical agenda. A major project on revenue expense recognition and an omnibus practice issue project. In addition, the board added 2 items to its research activities: a comprehensive reexamination of note disclosures and a reexamination of certain equity interest ownership issues. As many of you know, the FASB recently introduced major changes to revenue recognition standards in the private sector. These changes, in conjunction with the findings from a recent post-implementation review of Statement 33 on non-exchange transactions, prompted the board to step back and take a comprehensive look at the basic approach employed for revenue and expense recognition. The primary issue that is expected to be addressed in the first due process document is whether the board should continue with the traditional exchange and non-exchange classification approach or explore a new approach, the performance-non-performance obligation approach. This is a major project and is going to take several years to complete. The Omnibus Project will encompass some house-cleaning items in the form of technical corrections for a few financial reporting entity, fair value, and pension items. This project also will allow the board to consider implications of recent changes for pensions in Statement 82 to OPEB situations. With the implementation of the OPEB standards just around the corner, this is a fast-track, narrow-scope project. An exposure draft is expected to be released in September of this year. It's been almost 20 years since the board has comprehensively reviewed note disclosure requirements. This research effort will take a holistic approach to the review of note disclosures, from the basic framework used to establish disclosures to an effectiveness assessment of note disclosure requirements that have been in effect for at least 3 years. This is a major research effort that is not expected to be completed until the end of 2017. The primary issue that will be addressed in the Equity Interest Ownership Issues Project is an important question faced in practice regarding the proper reporting of situations where the government has a majority interest in an entity that is held solely for its ability to generate cash. The question, is the entity a component unit or an investment? What prompts the research is the need to know more about the facts and circumstances that surround these transactions.